Good morning, this is Seth Nagel with the National Weather Service in San Angelo, Texas, and this is the morning weather briefing for Sunday, December 27th, 2015. Taking a quick look at the warnings and advisories that are currently in effect for west central Texas. The counties in red are under a winter storm warning from now until 9 a.m. Monday morning. The counties in pink are under a winter weather advisory from noon this afternoon through 9 a.m. Monday morning. For the counties in red, we're looking at totals anywhere from 4 to 6 inches with locally higher amounts possible. We'll also see some blowing snow as strong north winds will continue throughout the day today and into tonight. Under the winter weather advisory areas, we're expecting anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of snow to fall. Could also see a little bit of blowing snow in these areas as well. For the rest of the county warning area, we're looking at little or no accumulation as rain may just mix with snow a little bit late tonight into early Monday morning. Currently, we have showers and thunderstorms that affected the area moving off to the east, and those will continue to move off to the east and out of the area. And the snowfall that is expected to move into the area off to our west in the Trans-Pecos area west of the Permian Basin. Currently, we're in a bit of a lull as there's some dry air aloft moving across the area, but as the upper level low that's off to our west continues to track slowly to the east, strong lift associated with that low will move into our area and begin to produce precipitation again later this morning into the afternoon hours and overnight tonight. Currently, we have temperatures just above freezing for the San Angelo area, around 34 degrees, 32 in Abilene, and 30 in Sweetwater. But as you can see, there are much colder temperatures off to our north and northwest, and that colder air is continuing to move into west central Texas, which will allow our temperatures to fall below freezing throughout the day today, and thus once that lift and precipitation moves in, will basically be falling mainly as snow across our area, allowing the snowfall to accumulate from this afternoon into the overnight hours. As far as specific snowfall totals, this is generally what we're expecting. As we could see from the warning area, we're looking at anywhere from 4 to 6 inches. But we could see those higher totals closer to 8 inches or 8 plus inches for parts of Sterling County, Fisher and Nolan counties as well, and locally higher. So those locally higher amounts will be possible over there. But for the rest of the winter storm warning area, generally 4 to 6 inches can be expected. And then as you move east and south, of course, the snowfall totals taper off. Will probably be a little bit of a tighter gradient than what we can see in this image here, with the higher totals cutting off pretty rapidly to lesser amounts for those areas in the advisory and these areas to our southeast that don't have an advisory or a warning up right now. For the rest of the week, once the winter storm passes through the area, we're looking at generally chilly temperatures, much cooler than normal throughout most of the week through this Saturday. Highs in the big country, mainly in the 30s and 40s. For the Concho Valley and Heartland, mainly in the 40s. And then for areas along the I-10 corridor, mainly in the 40s as well. Although we will see some 50s Tuesday and Wednesday for the I-10 corridor, and likely some 50s for the Concho Valley on Tuesday as well. Once this storm passes through, we do expect to see mainly dry conditions prevail through the weekend, through this Saturday. Although there is a slight chance that we might see additional light precipitation. Looks like maybe Saturday into Saturday night. That's the briefing for this Sunday morning. Once again, remember we are under a winter storm warning for areas west of a Haskell to Abilene to San Angelo to Ozona line, and that winter storm warning is in effect from now through 9 a.m. this morning, with much worse conditions off to our west. Basically, travel is nearly impossible. Will be nearly impossible later today and tonight for areas west of our forecast area, and travel will be very difficult to hazardous or impossible for our western counties, beginning this afternoon and continuing through tonight. That's the briefing for this Sunday morning. Please check back tomorrow morning for an updated briefing. Thanks.